Hi friends, you are watching Fast Second. Today I am showing you how to fit the rubber belt or neck strap on Canon DSLR camera. And this is new belt, and this is my 700 Canon D, and I'm showing you how to insert properly. It's a little bit tricky, but it's easy if you understand. And in this tutorial I'm showing you, first you need to insert this belt like this on DSLR clip. Now insert in first clip like this, and here the trick, just do like this and insert the belt like this. From inside the belt, now insert once again like this, and tight like this. You almost done. Fit it properly. Adjust like this.